1, 2, 3, 4, counting every day. I've been stuck in here cause I'm helping me get away. 5, 6, 7, 8, time is just a hoax. And I call up with a protected and family joke. You must think that you're dreaming. Just tell me what you're scheming. You look like you've seen a ghost, but you're lucky to have such a great Jesus like me. I'm scared to lose myself here, but there is nothing to fear. I can't take it anymore. Is that an exit door? Just your imagination. The exit is your fixation. What do you think I need to search? Digital hallucination. Try to find a way out, but just like you take everything inside a digital hallucination. A, B, C, D, I don't know my name. Tell me if I'm dead or am I just going insane. STDs, they're writing on the wall. The vows and knuckles to save us all. You must think that you're dreaming. It'll be okay, believe me. You look like you've seen a ghost, but you're lucky to have what's left of your sanity. And some might call it tragic, and the circus lost its magic. I can't take it anymore. Is that an exit door? Maybe just sing this, so yeah, just listen to this song.
Door after door you'll find that it is just a digital hallucination. You try to find a way out, but you're stuck here day after day inside a digital hallucination.
Is it an amalgamation of my own fixation? Directly do I think that it is a digital hallucination? I want to find a way